Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Python must be available and you will use the built-in Sqlite3 module. First actionable step, import Sqlite3 and call Sqlite3. Connect example, db to open or create the database file. Once done, assign the connection to a variable, for example con equals Sqlite3. Connect example, db, and immediately get a cursor with cur equals con. Cursor, so you can execute SQL statements right away. This begins the active session. Now you execute SQL through the cursor. Use cur. Execute create table if not exists t, id integer primary key x text. To prepare schema then cur. Execute insert into tx values. Value to add rows, make sure to call con. Commit. After write so changes persist, otherwise the file may not reflect inserts. For multiple rows, use cur, executemini. Once done reading, fetch with cur. Fetch on or cur. Fetch all, and close the cursor when you finish interacting with the connection. Finish by closing resources. Cur, close. If you created a cursor and always call con. Close, to release the database file. If you need auto-commit, set isolation level equals none when connecting, but make sure you understand transactional implications. If things go wrong, like a database is locked error, stop and verify no other process or thread left a connection open, then ensure commits were made and connections closed. If necessary, reopen the file, after closing lingering connections, to continue safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.